Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre. It's a warm day in KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld, but the warm weather will be short-lived with another frontal system reaching the east coast on Saturday. Meanwhile, it rained overnight in the southwestern Cape, so let's take a closer look at some of the observations. This front did not produce a lot of rain. Between 5 and 10 mils were observed around the Cape Peninsula, 10 millimeters in Strand, 5 millimeters in Malmesbury, even lower rainfall amounts the further north we go, with Langebaan reporting 2. 1 millimeter was observed in Worcester and Cape Agulhas, but we're expecting more rain for the rest of the afternoon around the Western Cape, so there could be slightly higher totals later on. This is our satellite image showing clear conditions over the northern and eastern parts of South Africa this morning. The cold front moving over the Western Cape, and there's a secondary front developing behind it that's going to result in a few more showers during the course of the afternoon. These two cold fronts move eastward. We're expecting them to reach the Eastern Cape overnight tonight, while it remains warm this afternoon along the Wild Coast, KZN, and also in the Lowveld, with fine and mild weather over the rest of South Africa. As far as rain is concerned, there's still a 40% chance of showers along the west coast and adjacent interior, clearing as we head towards this evening, a 60% chance of showers along the south coast today, and rain spreading to the Eastern Cape late this evening. Over the rest of South Africa, light winds in the northern parts. We're expecting light winds in Durban today with speeds of 10 kilometers per hour, fresh to strong west to southwesterlies along the Eastern Cape coastline, and fresh winds in the southern Karoo as well. Daytime temperatures affected by the cold front. A high of 12 expected in Sutherland and 14 degrees in George today. It's still warm along the Wild Coast, East London, with a maximum of 24, mid to upper 20s in KwaZulu-Natal, and mild conditions in Gauteng, with Johannesburg reaching a high of 19. This weekend's forecast shows a lot of cooling over the western parts of South Africa, with a maximum of 9 degrees in Sutherland on Saturday. Showers continue to affect the east coast, and we're expecting mild weather to persist in Gauteng. By Sunday, remnants of showers along the east coast, and it becomes slightly cooler over the northern and eastern parts of South Africa.